The first thing we're going to do is the SID face trace. And remember, we're tracing for proportions. I always look for a central or large component to hang everything else around. And with SID, it's his nose because it's so incredibly vast. Then with SID, I usually go for a long, or rather wide oval like this, which joins his two eyes and traces along the top of his upper lip. It's tempting to go below his lower lip, but that is somehow a much harder shape to deal with. So first the nose, then the long, wide oval, and then this circle here. And notice how this eye is much larger than the other one. And see how the circles are on the outside of the oval. They're not on top of his head, but rather on the sides of his head. Then from there I can go and make this shape for his bottom lip. I can use some circles for his teeth. I can bring in the other part of his bottom lip. Then we've got some teeth there. And how would we take up this space here? Well, we just want to know how wide his neck should be, and then we would have to fill in these lines. Then, of course, you can go back and look at the details. So if we look at his eyelids and how they kind of wrap round like this to give him this very distinctive look, and then his iris and pupil. Similarly here, his eyelids wrap around his eyeball in a very particular way to give him the look that he has. And then, of course, we've got a few little details like his eyelashes. So that is the SID face trace.